Welcome to Ryobi Die Casting in Shelbyville, Indiana. We're glad you're here to assist our team members in repairs, updates, additions, whatever your project may be. For your safety, we've designed this video that gives an overview of our responsibilities as a company for your safety and your responsibilities as a contractor. Once you've viewed this video, you can be on your way to work in our facilities. The Ryobi campus consists of 3 buildings, each with their own processes and projects. Ryobi Die Casting creates and produces parts for automobile manufacturers around the world, and our name is indicative to our primary business focus, die casting.
Hi, I'm Tom Johnson. I'm president of Ryobi Die Casting. I want to welcome you to Ryobi Die Casting today and thank you for coming. I want you to know we're a Tier 1 automotive supplier. We make aluminum die casting, and like any business, we do have things that we have to be safe about. And your safety is the most important thing here today. So please listen to this video, pay attention to it, and follow the instructions. Thank you very much.
Ryobi is ISO 14001 certified, and we require contractors to be environmentally responsible for their waste streams, comply with environmental health and safety regulations, and strive for continuous improvement in reduction of generating waste streams at Ryobi. It is very important you follow all OSHA regulations pertaining to safety in any of our plants. Hard hats, safety glasses, earplugs, steel-toed or composite shoes, pants, long-sleeve shirts are only required when walking through and or working in the die cast and melt departments. Depending upon the type of work being performed, you may need additional personal protection equipment. This is for your safety. Die casting requires a lot of hot materials and machinery. As part of our personal commitment to safety, we do all we can to ensure we practice what we preach at Ryobi Die Casting. And you will find this throughout our facilities. Contractors cannot borrow Ryobi equipment without permission from the department manager, and the contractor must read, agree, and sign Ryobi equipment borrowing policy. The contractor must inform the department manager when the contractor damages Ryobi equipment. You'll need to enter the back entrance on Industrial Drive to gain access to the Ryobi facilities, once you have dropped off any necessary materials. All vehicles driving inside the Ryobi facility must obey the posted speed limit of 10 miles per hour and stop signs. As always, be aware of forklift traffic, truck traffic, and pedestrians. We are a tobacco-free environment. Tobacco products can be used in the designated parking lots outside the gated area of the facility. However, you may use these inside your personal vehicle. Contained drinks can lead to a catastrophic event at our facility. These types of containers are very dangerous, must be kept inside your vehicle and not disposed of on Ryobi property. Also, the containers can cause an explosion if they enter a molten furnace. If weather gets tricky or there is an emergency within one of our buildings, look for signage to direct you to an evacuation area. There are tornado safety areas and emergency response locations throughout all 3 plants. Familiarize yourself with these locations as you make your way to your designated areas for your contracted work. As a die casting facility, awareness of hot molten metal areas, casting equipment, right-of-ways, confined spaces, and fire prevention are very important. Our hot molten areas create special hazards to our team members and contractors. Be aware at all times when you are within any melting areas. The same is true for our die casting machinery and how we get our molten metals to the die cast machinery. When walking through our facilities, ensure you are always in a walkway between the yellow lines. Forklifts carrying ladles of molten metal have the right-of-way in the melt aisleways. If you are required to be in a high area, follow all procedures for a fall arrest. Always follow Ryobi lockout tagout requirements whenever you're performing maintenance on the equipment. All forms of energy must be de-energized before performing maintenance work on the equipment. All of the confined spaces are identified in the facility as permit required or non-permit required, and you must get with the Environmental Health and Safety Department prior to entering permit required confined space. Fire extinguishers are located throughout all of our facilities every 20 feet. Locate the nearest fire extinguisher in your contracted work area before you begin work. Hot work permit is required whenever hot work is performed on site. Provide a copy of your hot work permit to the Facility Maintenance WWT Department. You must supply your own fire extinguishers and fire watch when you perform hot work on site. Report any accidents on site and property damage to your Ryobi contact. You must fill out a Ryobi accident report form. This is for the safety of everyone involved. We hope there is never an accident, and we do a great job of ensuring your safety. We know you're ready to work. Thanks for taking the time to view our safety procedures. If you have any questions or concerns, just ask your Ryobi contact person. Thanks for helping Ryobi Die Casting be the safest manufacturer of die-cast products in the USA.